Head high chest up and catch that frame, 'cause beauty is my name.
What up, beauty gang? So today is pretty exciting because I am officially back into my wig season. Well, let me not say officially, because I still might have some natural hair videos going on. But anybody that's been a long-term OG beauty gang member, you know, like, my wig season is during the colder months of the year. And that's when and how I grow the crap out of my hair. As for today, I want to give a big thank you to MYFIRSTWIG for sending me this wig. They're supposedly known to be quality wigs for beginners. So it's like not much you really have to do to the wig. You can almost like plop it on after customizing a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and install the wig and see how beginner friendly it really is. But before I hop into this video, I do want to make sure I make it known that any of you newbies who are just clicking onto this video and you ain't never heard of beauty game before, honey, we're lit over here. You need to take the time right now to thank the Lord for guiding you to this video today, because there is no other gang in this world like beauty gang. We'd love to have you be a part of our lituation over here, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell button so you're notified each time I post a new video. Oh, and also, if you don't take my word for it, go ahead and scroll below in the comment section and you will see multiple beauty gang members vouching for the fact that we are hella lit. So after you've done that, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell button so you're notified each time I post a new video. And then without further ado, let's hop into this. Alright, so as y'all see, your girl's hair is already braided up and stuff. BTW, I do have a how-to cornrow video coming out this Friday, so just stay tuned for that, my ladies. So I did see a lot of my black girls saying, I don't know how to cornrow, help me. So I got y'all. Anyway, hair is already braided up. It's looking real rough, but it's okay. It's braided. So my first wigs come in this nice black matte box. Also, they ended up giving me a wig stand, which is pretty lit. But let's see what's in this box. All right, so first thing when I opened the box, they supplied me with a 2-piece wig cap. It's a little lighter than my complexion, but it's okay. And my first wig, it looks like a makeup bag, but there's something in it. Oh, shoot. It has a wig hair clip in it, bobby pins, oh, 2 wig clips, a rat tail comb, and elastic band, because a lot of people do actually just sew on an elastic band to their wigs instead of like gelling or gluing it down. And then it gives you a pamphlet of instructions on different ways you can apply your wigs. Wow, this is lit. That's real lit. I'm gonna keep that around. All right, what else do we have in here? This is a Say Goodbye to Frizzy Hair Flyaway Tamer. And then lastly is the wig itself, which comes in this really cute wig garment bag. Now with this wig, y'all, I stepped outside my comfort zone. Y'all ready? I'm gonna put it on real quick for you. Your girl ended up getting a burgundy wig. On camera, it actually looks like a more red, but yeah, I went ahead and got color this wig season. I decided I'm gonna be very like experimental with color and step outside my comfort zone than the typical like dark brown hair only. That's like lame, that's weak. So I'm ready to start wearing colors and stuff, especially since I don't plan on dyeing my hair again. So I'm excited. But anyway, okay, I know I look a little crazy. I'm not feeling the part, but yeah, I want to go ahead and kind of customize this wig to my liking and basically show you guys how I go about doing that. It doesn't seem like I need to do much customizing though at all to it in terms of like plucking and stuff. Let me zoom in for y'all. I think that the hairline looks really good. I don't think I need to really customize or thin it out all too much. So that's dope, and that is really beginner friendly. And honestly, I have not bleached the knots or anything like that, and I probably won't. The knots could be bleached, but it doesn't seem to me like it would be all that necessary. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and customize this wig, make it my own, and show y'all the process. beauty gang, so this is my final look. I actually really like it. It's very different, very outside my comfort zone, but I think I did my thing on this bob, revamping it a little bit because the part was on this side originally, so I had to manipulate the hair to make it lay flat on this side instead of that side. Yeah, y'all saw. I had to kind of tweak it a little bit for my liking, but I do like this wig a lot. I love that I didn't need to bleach the knots. It looks really good. I didn't feel the need to pluck the hairline or anything like that. I like that it already came custom colored. So yeah, if any of you guys are interested in this wig or just checking out My First Wig's website at all, the link to the website is going to be in my description box below, along with the link to this wig. And I do want to go ahead and do my post notification shout out before I forget. So today's post notification shout out goes to Okori Amarachi, O-K-O-R-I-E, last name Amarachi, A-M-A-R-A-C-I-H. Really hope I pronounced that right. Shout out to you, girl. Thank you so much for being a part of Beauty Gang, and thank you so much for being a part of Notification Squad. If any of you guys are interested in possibly being shouted out, all you have to do is be subscribed to Beauty Gang, aka my channel. Then hit that bell button after you subscribe so you're notified each time I post a new video. And then on every new video of mine that you see, go ahead and hashtag Notification Squad, Notification Gang, hashtag beautification, hashtag something to let me know you're part of that ride or die circle and you have the potential to be shouted out. But yeah, that is all I have for you guys. If you guys have any other hair color suggestions, because like I said, I'm going to be very experimental this wig season. Any other hair colors you want to see me try out or whatever, please don't hesitate to comment colors below. And yeah, I'm going to go enjoy my new hairstyle. Until next time, guys. Bye.
Move your body cause you're loving the way that you want. Move your body if you're loving the way that you talk. One time if you're confident. Clap 2 times cause you're on me. Never gave a damn about what they say, cause you handle all your business on a day by day. Head high, chest up, and catch that frame, cause beauty